Yo, you look good. What's up? Right now, I'm going to talk to you about how you can use first impressions to help you overcome your stutter, and how first impressions right now and people's perspective on you can be severely inhibiting your progress, like it was for me. So when I was younger, I'd say 17, 18, and I was trying to overcome my stutter, I was just trying to overcome my stutter. And like, the way to overcome your stutter, as we all know, is to put yourself in situations that cause discomfort. And when you're in those situations, you slowly start to be more yourself. You slowly start to be more expressive. You slowly start to be more authentic. You start saying more shit that you want to say. You don't hold back whatsoever. So what I was trying to do was try to be more expressive, try to be more authentic around people that I was already comfortable with. But the problem was that they knew me forever. They were my old friends and my family. So they knew what I was like. And something about first impressions and just any type of impressions whatsoever is people always try to put you in a box. This person's a shy person. This person's a quiet person. This person's outgoing. This person's authentic. This person doesn't hold back. This person's a freak. This person's weird. So, all my 17 years up to this point, my family, my friends saw me as a quiet person because I was a quiet person. And their expectation of me was to remain quiet, was to remain reserved, was to remain repressed, not expressive. And I was trying to be more expressive, but every time I do, you know what happened? Every time I tried to be expressive, you know what happened? It caused their brain to be like, what the fuck? This isn't the person that I'm used to seeing. So their subconscious, or maybe even consciously, they would try to put me back in this box. They would act, or they would say things that would put me back in this box of being a shy person. Think about someone right now in your life that you know is a really shy person. If they just came up to you and they're like, yo, what's up, mofo? What's up? You're awesome. Come here. You'd be like, what the fuck? This person, this is not congruent with my thoughts of him. So you would subconsciously put him back in this box of, yo, you're a quiet person. So that was inhibiting me from growing, because every time I tried to grow and be different, people's perception would just close in on me. And like, fuck, I'm quiet. They would just talk over me or whatever. So what I realized then is that people I don't know, they don't have a perception of me, that I'm not in any type of box. So now I'm able to go up to someone completely random, like, hey man, how's it going? I like your shoes, what's up? And this person now views me as a first impression as someone who's more talkative, someone who's more expressive, someone who just goes up to people and does that type of shit. So now I can use their expectation, their perception of me to help me grow. Even if that was completely outside my comfort zone to do that, even if that caused major discomfort in me, now he views me this way. Now if I see him another day, or I become friends with him, he views me as this person. So maybe even some days I'm feeling a bit more down. I don't really want to like be as expressive as I should be. His perception of me will subconsciously want to put me in that box. This person isn't quiet, this person isn't shy, this person is more expressive, so he will subconsciously put pressure on me to be more of that person that he expects me to be. So every time you enter a new environment, you put yourself in a state of mind. It might only take 5 seconds to go, now I'm fucking hyped. And imagine me walking into a classroom now. I'm like, yo boys, what's up? I like your hair. Like, I'm a lot more hyped now. I'm a lot more engaged, a lot more expressive. Just doing physical activity for 5 seconds, that puts you in a state where you want to be more expressive. So when you meet someone and you bring that character out, now anytime you see them afterwards, they expect you to be that way, and it will subconsciously keep putting you in this box to keep expressing yourself, keep being yourself. Even if you have a stutter or not, that doesn't fucking matter. You will still want you to be more expressive if that's the first impression you made was more expressive. And if you continue to try to grow in front of people that already have a box of you of being shy, or a box of someone doesn't express themselves, it's going to make it so much fucking harder on you to do so. Like, it's possible, but why would you do that? It's so much fucking harder. Go into new environments, be the person you want to be more expressive, and make their expectations of you help push you into the person that, and soon you don't have to fucking soon you don't have to try to act like this way. Soon you can actually just be this way because they expect you to be this way, and over time it will just be natural to you. Does that make fucking sense? I know it does. But now the only thing that's holding you back is a new environment, meeting new people. You're gonna be completely fine. I've gone in front of fucking so many people, stuttered my head off, and look at me. I'm completely fine. You know what? I'm fucking better than fine. I'm fucking amazing! But you are fucking amazing too. Nothing can stop you. Nothing can fucking stop you. The fear of going to do that is irrational. All your anxiety is fucking irrational. You're just imagining something that could happen because in past experiences that did happen, and it caused you to feel a certain type of discomfort. But the discomfort is what makes you grow. You should lean into discomfort. Every time you stutter and you feel discomfort, just know that's making you grow. Just know you need to feel those emotions to accept your stutter. If you never felt those emotions, if you always hide them away, you're never going to accept your stutter. You need to stutter to overcome your stutter. Use first impressions as a superpower to help you grow into the person you want to be. Alright? I love you. You're sexy and you smell amazing.